Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words drunk and drank. Let's look at each one individually. Drunk. Adjective or verb. Past participle of drink. Adjective. Affected by alcohol to the extent of losing control of one's faculties or behavior. Verb. Past participle of drink, used in perfect tenses. For example, the man was drunk and couldn't walk straight. She has drunk all the water in her bottle. He was drunk with power after his promotion. Drunk. Verb. Simple past tense of drink. Consumed liquid in the past. For example, I drank a glass of orange juice for breakfast. We drank coffee and chatted for hours. Last night, he drank too much and got a hangover. To summarize, drunk is primarily used as an adjective to describe someone affected by alcohol, or as the past participle of drink in perfect tenses. Drank is the simple past tense of drink, used to describe the act of consuming liquid in the past. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.